This is fun. Here I sit in a okay hotel room. Happens now and then. Friday I was running up north. I'm up in Maine and motor quit in my truck. Pulled into a gas station, got a cup of coffee, started up to leave. God, my hair is doing crazy stuff. Truck started up, motor quit, wouldn't run again. But luckily I was less than like a quarter mile from our terminal up here, so I was able to call out my mechanic, come down and bled a bunch of air out of the fuel filter. Still not really sure how it got there, probably a cracked fuel line or something, but got it running just enough to limp it back up to the terminal, and I've been sitting here for 2.5 days now waiting for the truck to get fixed. But I'm getting breakdown pay, so that makes it a little better. I'd so much rather be home with my wife, but hey, it is what it is, and they put me up in a hotel room, and I've just been sitting here twiddling my thumbs for 2 days. It did work out pretty good, though. It was got a heck of a snowstorm up here. There's probably 10 inches on the ground out where I'm at. At least I miss driving in this mess. I don't mind driving in the snow. If it can be avoided, it's always